Greetings YouTube, it is I, Infinite 1985, back again with another figure review. Today we'll be looking at the Jakks Pacific 4-inch Big the Cat. Now, this guy, I never owned a big figure. I missed out on the Jazzwares one, but this one's actually just as good. In fact, he's better. He's bigger, he's beefier, he's chunky. Look at all the details they got on. Right down to the lines in his arms. Some kind of Cheshire cat motif going on. He's got this big, fluffy belly. He's got the muzzle, which is unique to him from Sonic Adventure. He's got those I've seen some shit eyes. He's got the long ears with the purple, 2 tones of purple. He's got his tan fishing gloves. He's got his sandals with this toeless feet. They even sculpted a tail on him. Mine's got a little paint stuff, but and some plastic flashing on the back of his. Oh, that is bad. Oh, man. Now, for articulation, Big's head can twist left and right. Arms can do a full 360, but are hindered by the ears. They go in and out on the universal joint or ball hinge. Elbows can move in and out, but are extremely tight on my copy. Wrist swivel. I don't think they're on the ball hinge. Legs kick out up about that much, back about that much, and he's got ball jointed ankles, but you're not going to get much out of them. Now, for some size comparisons. There's Big. And let's bring in some other big boys. First off, here he is next to Victor. As you can see, Big is bigger. As he should be. Dang, he's bigger. Next up, who's next? Omega. And Omega's a teeny bit bigger. And wider. Here he is with his teammate Amy, and it kind of works. He's still too big, but all we need is a cream the rabbit now, and we'll have Team Rose. Our Sonic Hero cast is growing, guys. It's almost complete. No. I got my figure from a friend of mine, Sullivan Reed. She hooked me up, and I am very thankful for that. And if you're looking for this guy, hit up Targets now, because he's starting to pop up very frequently, but he is hard to find. And let me say, he's well worth the cash. Anyways, guys, this is Infinite 1985 signing off. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll come at you with another review.